Budgie is a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie! Rocketing rotors!
Oh, Budgie is a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
Just for once, the big hangar at Harefield Airfield seemed to be empty. But from where he perched in the roof, Oliver could see that something sinister was going on below as the hangar mouse edged towards Fergus the cat's breakfast. Oliver decided that he was ready for breakfast too and was heading for the mouse when suddenly...
Stupid thing. Whoa, 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 come back! Oh, what's wrong with the wretched thing? Hey, get off that! Fergus, get off my car! Go on, shoo!
Whatever's Fergus doing?
What's Mike doing?
From what I know of Mike Sprocket, he probably doesn't know what he's doing. Now, as I was saying, we are expecting a visitor.
Oh.
Going to perform at an air show in France.
France? Oh, who is it, Lionel?
A pit special.
Gee, isn't that one of those...
Never mind what kind of plane it is. I want you all on your best behaviour and looking clean and shiny.
Backside first through the wash?
Ugh, that's just like you.
I wish it was just like you, Budgie.
But Lionel...
But nothing, Budgie. Through the heli wash, now.
Oh, Lionel. All your fault, little Miss Shiny.
Budgie? Honestly?
Got it sorted out then?
No, I don't know what's wrong with it.
Perhaps you're picking up interference from the control tower. You better stick to aircraft. Anyway, we'd better sort things out in the hangar. We've got to look after that pit special when it flies in.
Oh, yeah. I've forgotten about that.
Great little aircraft they are. They can't half-fly.
Horrible. I hate that soap. Soap. Yes.
Budgie, what are you doing?
Nothing, Lionel. Wait till Pippa goes through that. She'll look like the abominable snowman.
Right, Pippa, you can get your wash on... Ah, it's the pit special. Early. Better meet our visitor. Leave the wash till later.
I'm sure you guys do a good job, but I guess I'd be bored. I just love throwing myself around the sky.
Is that why you're called a stunt plane, Patsy?
Right, you're a smart guy.
Oh.
I suppose most aircraft can do stunts, though, can't they?
Oh, sure. It's just I'm better at it. It's the way I'm made.
I bet you'll fly the socks off those guys in France, Patsy.
I guess I might.
I do quite a lot of stunts myself.
Sure you do, honey.
I might even be as good as you.
Well, okay. Maybe you'd like to show me.
Don't be silly, Pippa. Patsy's a...
Well, come on, then.
Okay.
Wow! That was a good one.
Not bad, not bad.
Nice one, Pippa. And Patsy.
Whoa! Great!
Nice work, Pippa. You're not bad.
I told you so.
Want to follow me now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Wow, man! That is awesome!
Oh no! Oops! Ah! 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 Oh dear! Oh dear! Ah!
Oh, crumbs. Oh, golly.
Core, it's making me feel quite ill.
Mike, never mind the toy car.
It's not a toy, man.
There's work to be done.
Okay, I was only... Wow!
Great Scott! What on earth are they doing?
Boy, can that little biplane ever strut its stuff?
Strutted stuff. Cool.
Enjoying yourself?
Oh, yes.
Want to try a few more?
No. No thank you, Patsy. As a matter of fact, I'm not feeling very well.
Oh, poor kid.
Are you going to be all right, Pippa?
Yes, yes. Just don't talk to me.
I only wanted to...
Budgie,
Yes, Lionel?
a job's come up. I have to ferry some businessmen to a meeting in the north of England.
Oh, right.
I won't be back until tomorrow. You and Chuck keep an eye on things, all right?
Right, Lionel.
Especially Pippa. Oh, I don't know. I better get a move on. Only just time to get through the heli wash.
Yes, Lionel. Oh, no! Oh, rocketing rotors. Better hide.
Hi, Fergus. Okay, Fergus, in a minute. Hey, my car!
Mike? Mike?
Pom 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 tiddly pom 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 pom. Here, what?
Oh, dear. Oh, dear.
Budgie!
Oh, rocketing rotors.
Gee whiz, what's going on? Hey, what is going on?
Stop that car!
Shuddering joysticks!
Stop that car!
Oh, no.
Goodness gracious, great balls of foam. So long, folks. See you again.
Goodbye, Patsy!
Bye, Patsy. Oh.
I'm not sorry that little plane's leaving.
What say, man?
See to bring trouble with you. Lionel's got foam in his intakes. Pippa's not running well at all. Chuck's had to do the trip to the north of England, so all we've got left to do every job that comes in is Budgie.
Ow! Oh! Get off, you horrible thing! Ouch!
Lionel to Budgie, Lionel to Budgie.
Yes, Lionel, ow!
Picked up the lobsters, did you?
Yes, Lionel, ouch! Nasty, nippy things they are, and they smell of seaweed.
Never mind, Budgie. Got a treat for you when you land.
Great! What?
The helibosh is working again. You're first in.
Oh, no! Ouch!